Good afternoon, I'm Marina Zhuravleva and I invite you to a master class on decoration using botanical and plant prints, in black and white. I conducted master classes on color prints and, strangely enough, I received a lot of questions about how to get black and white products. For some reason they were most in demand. So I decided to make this master class. It is very simple because it only requires fabric, leaves and one single dye and no mordants. This method is very easy, and in addition to the fact that you can dye silk scarves, it's also wonderful to use on felted products. Look at these wonderful tops and dresses, or you can make your own product. As a result of the master class you will receive a wonderful scarf with such beautiful silver shades and a botanical print effect.